Thank you for purchasing the Deluxe Teak Bath Stool. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your CareCo product should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut and remove any tape with a knife or a pair of scissors. Please take care to avoid scratching the product inside. Once opened, lift out all the various components and gently set them to one side. Packaged with the seat board, you should find printed instructions. Please keep hold of these as they contain useful information on the assembly, best use and basic maintenance of your bath stool. To begin assembly, you will need first to unwrap the upper and lower frames, as well as the 4 tube legs. Open the small bag containing 5 handled screws and 5 washers. Place the upper frame over the smaller lower frame, lining up the designated grooves in the centre of each frame. Line up the holes on the leg frames with the holes on the underside of the seat board. Starting from the centre of the frame, insert the screws through the holes in the frame. Then twist and tighten them with the handles. Make sure they are fully secured and that you include the washer when threading the screw through. Now it's time to attach the legs. Drop the tube onto the seat frame and use the push pin to make sure they are on securely. Use the holes on the side of the leg tubes to find your desired seat height and to ensure that all of the legs are at an even height. Repeat this process on all 4 legs. With the legs now on firmly, you have finished assembling your bath stool. Please keep hold of the box and any excess packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the Deluxe Teak Bath Stool or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.